Welcome back, my people, to another video with Otila Way of Living. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Remember to tell a friend that your girl Otila is here with another video. Yes, so we'll cook some fish and beer things. Peeps, so today we'll cook some fish over there, so and some banana with dumpling. So I'm gonna season up the fish, some fish season. Yeah. You ready, big boss? I'm a co-chef in the kitchen today. So yes, my peeps, so I'm seasoning up my fish with some Maggi fish season and also with like a tux of black pepper. So yeah, I pour the fish them, so I rub the season in the fish, in the inside of the fish, and I rub in the part them I pour. Yes, my peeps, so to make the fish go and marinate. After I done season up the fish, I put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes and make it marinate in the fridge. Let's see if it can well soak. Fish are fry. Things turn up. So yes guys, so this is my season, this is my onion, my tomato, my sweet pepper, my garlic, my scallion and my thyme. Yes guys, so this is it, all my season thus far that I'm going to use on the fish. So yeah, look over yourself, pop in the pot, fish are fry and baked things. Yes my people, we're gonna have a wonderful good time. Ooh, come look up in the mouth, my peeps. Yes man, this smells so nice and this gonna taste so awesome and wonderful. So yeah, with my fish, I'm gonna do some sour sop. Yeah, you know, strong up the back. So yes, this is how we prepare our sour sop. So we take off the skin from the sour sop, as you can see. So we're going to mix our sour sop with some supper jargon, milk, sugar, vanilla, and you know, cinnamon, nothing else to get it spicy and creamy and nice. Yes, so removing the skin from the sour sop. Yes, we have cleaned up the sour sop properly. You can juice it with your hand or you can blend it, anyone you choose to. And we normally take out that part that we're pulling up. We normally open the sour sop into two and take out the inside piece, the stem part that is inside. So yes, sour sop and baking strong up your back, make your body healthy. Yes man, put enough energy in your body. Yeah, bakings are going as a sour sop and fish and dumpling and banana and rice. Whoa, Ghana League. Oh, the people are doing sour sop. Dropping in the blender and squeeze it with your hand. And something new. Take it out. So now that I go blend up, or you can squeeze it and you can eat it just the same. Yes. 1 fish plate, finger going a pot. Implement it, you add a little water to the pot. And you go season up your pot here now with some fish season, some like chicken nugget. Yum. So like a Maggi all purpose. Love the Maggi now. Then you add a little fish. I make that one simmer down. We will put little chicken nugget towards it. I got some butter. So we don't want the noodles, so what you do, you mix out the chicken nugget and some water and you throw in the pot. I want the noodle. So I've got to add some more water because it's not with a gravy, the fish. Add some water. Meanwhile, that I simmer down, I add water to it. Yeah. So yes, sauce don't make for the fish. See pot here? Yeah? You put the fish them in the pot. And as we go along, we're going to pour back a little of the sauce on the fish. So now, five minutes on that. Subscribe, like, and share, my people. So see it there, my peeps. I mean, what does make it go on for 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes, and take coffee. So turn some rice, eat with the fish. We're gonna make 8 dumpling and cook up about 6 banana. Yeah. So go on. So what's up? Done juice. So we're gonna mix it with some milk and nutmeg, egg and vanilla and Guinness. So yes. So I'm gonna need some flour to go with the fish and rice. We're gonna need some flour and peel some banana. And I need that flour. Peel some banana to go with the fish and the rice. So we add some cornmeal. Not too much. Get some water. Need the flour. Too much water. Then add a little salt. You don't want it too soft. So guys, so this is it. Fish and banana and dumpling and rice. My ear lick up in the mouth then I background and she not get any. Yes, my peeps come and lick up in the mouth. So this is it. So look here my peeps. Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la 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 la. Ricky, yeah, do live. Somebody you go and eat nice things them. The good things them, the good food and the good juice them. The good video and the good things them. When we step in the road and see good things them. Subscribe, like and share my people. So yeah, food. So what's up? Juice with jagan and milk and supplement and beer tea.